Stella, baby. Finna get right. Here we go. Yeah, listen. I ain't really trying to hold too much pride. Feeling like Michael, how I beat those odds. Yeah.
Welcome to Unapologetically Divorced. This is not where we just talk about relationships. Here we talk about letting go of everything that is no longer serving you in this season of your life. And today we're going to be talking about the importance of learning to trust again. I know it's hard because how in the world can someone that you saw yourself living your forever with, or your friend that you saw yourself love, thinking that you knew them backwards and forwards, to doing a flip on you, treating you the way that they have treated you. You're like, who is this person? I don't even know who this person is. Well, that's why we're having this conversation. It's important to trust again. Trust is built one small step at a time. Just like anything in life, if we keep putting one foot in front of the other, we're going to eventually meet our destination, reach our destination. So Proverbs 3:5-6 says, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. And so many times I see people leaning on what they have acquired or thinking they know everything that they know and doing things from that aspect of life. But the reality of it is that you have to be willing to understand your true worth and your true value and knowing who you are and knowing that you can trust again, but it starts with you. So you might be wondering, how can I trust? How can I ever trust again? Especially when I have given my all, I have given my heart to this person and they have let me down repeatedly. Well, first you have to say this. You have to identify that one person or area in your life where you can rebuild trust. And you have to be willing to let that guard down. You have to be willing to say, you know what, I'm not going to make everybody pay for what someone else did to me. And so when we think about this, we have to say, okay, what is it that I need to do? I have to be able to own my boundaries. And so in my book called Unapologetically Divorced, you can get this at yourtransformationalhealing.com. Again, that's yourtransformationalhealing.com. There's a section titled Owning Your Boundaries. Boundaries are not about controlling others. They're about honoring yourself. They are a declaration of what you need to thrive, heal, and grow. Be unapologetic. You don't owe anyone an explanation for protecting your peace. Be firm. Once a boundary is set, enforce it consistently. Be prepared. Understand that not everyone will like or respect your boundaries. And how that relates to learning to trust again is, first you have to set a boundary. You have to know, like, hey, don't play with me. Don't play with my mind. Don't play with my heart. Don't play with me. And when you come in with an attitude of letting people know where you stand when it comes to your heart and being able to check other people's heart posture, you will begin to see a difference in how you move and the type of people you allow in your life. And this is why it's important to pray for discernment. So as I leave you today, we're going to leave with this affirmation. I am open to trusting again, guided by wisdom and faith. I am open to trusting again, guided by wisdom and faith. And it's important to be able to say, this is where I am and this is where I desire to be. And I am going to give my very best. Again, welcome to Unapologetically Divorced. This is where we talk about everything from you being able to live your true best life, learning to trust again. This is your year. But it has to start with you understanding that you cannot do it alone. You cannot do life alone. And it's not fair to make other people pay for the mistakes of others. Now, we do want to learn from our past experiences, but we don't want to make it to where we are making other people have to rely and pay the price because of what someone else did to you. And so we have to be real with ourselves and make the step, make the change. But again, take the step, apply action to learning to trust again, and identify that one person or area in your life where you can rebuild trust. So as we come to a close, remember your affirmation. I'm open to trusting again, guided by wisdom and faith. I need you to start praying for discernment and live your best life. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.
Yeah, Stella, baby. Finna get right. Here we go.